Hi everyone, welcome to day 13 of 14. We're almost nearing the end of fortnight with FlytBase, and it has been an amazing journey. And I really hope you guys are enjoying these back to back updates from FlytBase. So, today we're going to talk about the Sniffer4D and OGI integration with FlytBase. Basically, we'll be talking about turning invisible leaks into actionable intelligence. So, Shaurya, I was actually reading somewhere that missed leak detections cause companies to pay almost $2.4 million in fines. And the stakes are pretty high. So, why do you think manual inspection fails on the ground?
Right. So the biggest problem with manual inspections is the efficiency that
Right.
in oil and gas refineries and with chemical plants, the first thing we saw is that the manual inspections, which took almost 3.5 hours, can now be done with the autonomous drone workflows in just 45 minutes.
Right.
Along with that, in the manual inspections, the crew was also exposed to a lot of hazardous gases such as volatile organic compounds and methane emissions. So, with the drone autonomy workflow, it's much easier for companies to get that data to perform faster inspections and also to have faster from detection to repair pipelines.
Right. And the point that you mentioned, the risk, basically the human risk to this environment is pretty high.
Yeah.
And I think already I've seen a lot of case studies where these companies have started using drones.
Yeah.
And I think drone autonomy just takes it, a step further even because you don't require a pilot on site, right?
Right.
So can you maybe tell us a little bit about how does the OGI and the Sniffer4D integration work with FlytBase,
Right.
and how can operators use this in real time with their current workflows?
So, with the current integration with the OGI payload, they are able to detect gas leaks in real time. And along with this, the sniffer payload help you get the concentration
Right.
of multiple gases in real time. And that helps you pinpoint the root cause of the leakage and
Okay.
helps you identify it.
Right.
Along with this, they also have finer controls such as OGI zooms, the ability to record a video and OGI images directly in the FlytBase dashboard and also on external platforms where they're able to see the concentration
Right.
distribution of the gases and track their emission for their ESG goals.
Right. So that makes the entire workflow very much automated
Yeah.
and no need for, a human to go on the site. That's interesting, Shaurya. Now, let's say they've detected the leak or they're seeing the plume, but what happens next? Let's talk about the actionable intelligence here.
Right. So with FlytBase, you have the option to send the detected data in real time to enterprise dashboards such as Soarability, where you are able to visualize the readings and you are able to detect leaks. You are also able to geotag the localized areas.
Right.
And based on that, you can coordinate with ground teams and quickly repair and maintain those areas. Along with this, for companies that already have their AI/ML pipeline set up, we also have the option to send the data through custom webhooks and run their own detection model.
When we talk about the reporting and compliances, which are pretty strict, in terms of oil and gas. So, can you walk us through what are the different compliances? What does the industry standard look like?
Right. So with a solution like this, you are able to do more frequent observations for your compliance requirements, such as in the US, we have the Environmental Protection Agency.
Yeah.
And in the EU, we have the EU methane strategy along with the OG MP. So reporting and staying compliant becomes very easy as part of this solution, and
Right.
it saves the team a lot of time to generate these reports, which can be automated.
Right. So, Shaurya, Usually with the big oil and gas enterprises, data security is always a concern. And, especially when they're running operations with such confidentiality and criticality. So, how do you think FlightBase tackles that?
Right. So, as you know, the FlightBase cloud platform is already GDPR compliant.
Right.
It also has the SOC 2 Type 2 and the ISO 27001, which really helps us to start working with the IT teams. Along with this, we also offer flexible deployment options such as on-premise and air-gapped solutions.
Right.
We also have the AIR Edge device, which has an enterprise-grade firewall that sandboxes the docking station from all other communication other than the required domains.
Yeah.
So overall, we offer a comprehensive security solution along with the scalability and worker safety.
Yeah.
So with the overall solution, it gives you automation, safety, and efficiency, which allows you to carry out the routine inspections for OGI and sniffer use case with relative ease.
Right.
And with this, you have fast reporting for all your compliance requirement, and it also helps you reach your ESG goals.
Right. Yeah. So that sums up pretty much today's episode. Thank you for tuning in, and please wait for the last episode, which drops tomorrow.